Let me guess, you've been applying for jobs left and right. You've got the degree, maybe even a solid looking CV, and you are putting in the effort, but still, nothing. No interviews, no emails, no feedback. And that's frustrating. I've been there. And in this video, I want to help you figure out what might be going wrong, and more importantly, how to fix it. When I was fresh out of university, I remember applying for jobs almost every day. I'd find a role, tweak my CV a little bit, hit apply, and then nothing happened. At first, I thought maybe the companies weren't hiring anymore. Then I started doubting myself. Is my CV that bad? Am I even qualified? But eventually I realized that the problem wasn't me as a person. It was the way I was showing up. No one had ever taught me how to apply for a job properly. I had to figure it out the hard way. So today, I want to give you a shortcut. Let me show you the 5 biggest reasons you might not be getting responses and what you can do about each one. Reason number 1, your CV is too generic. Let's start with the obvious one, but one that gets overlooked the most. If you are using the same CV for every job, word for word, there's a good chance it's landing in the dustbin. Each job has different priorities, different keywords, different requirements. You don't need to rewrite your entire CV every time, but you do need to customize it. Look at the job advertisement. Pick out the key skills they are asking for. Make sure those skills are visible in your CV and back them up with real examples. You want the recruiter to read your CV and think, this person is made for this role. That's how you get their attention. Reason number 2, you are listing duties, not value. I used to write things like, I did a group project, worked in a team, assisted with this and that. But that's not enough. Every graduate did group work. Every intern assisted with something. What you need to do is show impact. Say something like, I led a 4-person team to design a mobile app that was later presented to industry professionals. Or I helped digitize a manual process that improved response time by 20%. You are not just telling them what you did, you are showing them the value you brought. And even as a graduate, that counts a lot. Reason number 3, you are applying without doing any research. I know the feeling. You are job hunting and you just want something to come through. So you apply everywhere. But here's the thing. When you don't understand the company, your application lacks depth. You end up sounding like someone who's just looking for any job, not someone who actually wants that job. Employers can feel that. So do a little research. Check out their company website. See what they are building. Read their About Us page. Then when you apply, mention something that shows you took the time to understand them. Even a sentence in your summary or cover letter can go a long way. Reason number 4, you are not making yourself visible. Let's be honest, job boards are overcrowded. Sometimes by the time your CV lands, 200 other people have already applied. So the question is, what are you doing to stand out outside of that? Do you have a LinkedIn profile? Are you following recruiters or companies you'd love to work for? Have you ever reached out to someone in the company just to ask questions or learn more? Because here's the truth. Some of the best opportunities don't come from applying online. They come from connections. And you don't need to know anyone personally. You just need to show up. Be present, engage, let people know you are out there and ready to work. Reason number 5, you are not following up. Here's one thing that takes 2 minutes, but almost no one does it: following up. If you applied 2 weeks ago and haven't heard anything, it's okay to send a short, polite follow-up. Say something like, "Hi, I hope you are well. I just wanted to follow up on my application for the junior developer role. I'm still very interested in the opportunity and would love to know if there's anything further you need from my side." That's it. Short, respectful, and puts you back in their inbox. It shows interest, it shows initiative. And sometimes that's all you need to spark a response. Look, if you've been applying and not hearing anything back, don't lose hope. It's not always about your qualifications. Sometimes it's just about how you are showing up. So here's what I want you to do. Take time to tailor your CV. Highlight the value you bring, not just the tasks you've done. Learn about the companies you are applying to. Make yourself visible beyond job boards. Don't forget to follow up. These are small shifts, but they make a huge difference. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments, where are you getting stuck? My name is Ellek. This is 360 Careers, helping you grow, show up, and get hired. Let's go.